baby, I'm gonna leave you. Honey, don't you ask me why. 27 more minutes. So I say bye-bye. Hard time today. Hard time today. Hard time today. I'm driving just as hard as I can. Got me a train down in Texas. I took it. Got me a train down in old 61. And I hope my leg don't. Hard time today. Hard time today. Hard time today. I'm driving just as hard as I can. Blow it, baby. Now we're going to do some pumping right here. You ready for some supercharge? Seth, are you ready for your 88? Are you ready to do some pounding? Are you ready to hit the 88? Seth, on your keyboard, do some talking. I didn't know what he meant by that, but that's what he told me. And you know what he said? He said, ooh, baby, I love you. I said, ooh, baby, I love you. I said, ooh, baby, and I love you. I said, ooh, baby, and I love you. Now people doing twine time, everybody feeling fine. Doing this, I'm doing that, I'm working on the FBI. Doing this, and second try, everybody doing that. I give my love and I don't wow, oh, that's what I gotta say. Now it's barbecue season out here. And me and Jay Geils, we were taking a walk, seeing everybody tailgating in the parking lot. Now some people, they like rib barbecue, beef barbecue, or pork barbecue. Some people like fish barbecue. Some people like tofu barbecue. But Jay Geils, he likes chicken wing barbecue. Now Jay Geils has a special recipe. What he does is he gets a big, big vat. You know, those kind of vats used in the bathtub. And he fills it up with Tanqueray gin. Then he gets 3 pounds of organic chicken wing. Has to be organic. Free range, he says. What the fuck is the difference between free range and organic? Organic, they give them vitamins, they give them milk. So he takes the big vat of Tanqueray, puts in the chicken wings. Now here's the kicker. He takes the chicken wings, throws them out, and drinks the entire vat of Tanqueray. I call that kind of wasteful, but he calls it kind of fun. As a matter of fact, he gets so high on that he does this thing called a little chicken picking. Can we get Jay Geils to do some chicken picking? Can we get Jay Geils to do a little chicken picking? Are you sober enough to do a little chicken picking? Let me see it. Ah. Hold on now. I think the Tanqueray didn't get to him. Oh. See now?
Discovering the problem.
We discovered the problem. But hold on a second. If you use vodka, you might not have had that problem. So you ready for chicken picking? Are you sure? Are you doubly sure? Let me hear you. All right, here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Shake it up, baby. Thank you so much. What's a Jay Geils evening in Detroit without a little Barbra Streisand? Oh, people